Money is the universal medium of exchange. It plays a significant role in our lives. It circulates among individuals, communities, and nations, facilitating trade and serving as a measure of value and wealth. So today, I'll take you to the untold money secrets that will revolutionize your finances. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1, everything has a price. In our complex and ever-changing world, it is a common sight to encounter alluring offers of free goods or services. Yet it is imperative to grasp the underlying truth that nothing truly comes without a cost. Beneath the surface of seemingly generous gestures, there often lies a hidden agenda. So it is our responsibility to exercise caution and engage in a critical evaluation of the value proposition presented to us. The allure of free can often be misleading. Stores, for example, may tempt us to near expired products, ensuring their stock doesn't go to waste. However, accepting these freebies may come at a cost. By the time we utilize the complimentary item, the accompanying product we purchase may have lost its freshness or usefulness, leaving us with a diminished experience. Therefore, it is crucial to question the motives behind these enticing offers and carefully consider their potential implications. While the allure of something for nothing can be captivating, we must navigate through the facade and assess the true worth of what is being offered. By exercising discernment and maintaining a thoughtful approach, we can safeguard ourselves from hidden costs and make informed choices that align with our best interests. Remember, in the realm of free offerings, everything has a price. We just need to unveil the truth behind the curtain. Number 2, save as early as possible. Saving money can be a daunting task, often accompanied by the belief that there is never enough to set aside. However, with a shift in mindset and diligent financial management, saving becomes an achievable goal. Rather than waiting for external factors such as a salary increase or a sudden windfall, the key lies in taking immediate action. Embarking on a savings journey demands unwavering focus and determination. Procrastination is the main enemy of progress, so it is crucial to start saving with whatever amount within our means, no matter how modest. The passage of time, coupled with the magic of compounded interest, can transform these humble beginnings into substantial wealth. However, selecting a trustworthy financial institution or product is paramount in order to witness the true growth of our savings. By initiating our savings early on, we set ourselves on a path towards financial security and abundance. Every penny saved today paves the way for a brighter and more prosperous future. So let us embrace the opportunity to take control of our finances, establish healthy saving habits, and unlock the immense potential of our hard-earned money. Number 3, only borrow if you can pay for it. In times of financial urgency, borrowing money may appear as a convenient solution. However, it is crucial to approach borrowing with caution and foresight. Simply obtaining a loan without a well-defined plan for repayment can result in severe repercussions. The burden of high interest rates and additional expenses can cripple our financial aspirations, surpassing our initial expectations. Therefore, it is imperative to approach borrowing with a clear repayment strategy and contemplate the long-term consequences of accumulating debt. Equally as important is understanding the purpose behind borrowing. Wisely investing borrowed funds into appreciating assets such as real estate can offer a higher probability of effectively managing the debt by leveraging the potential profits gained from selling these assets. Conversely, utilizing borrowed money for fleeting indulgences and non-essential leisure activities can create a challenging situation when it comes to servicing the debt. By exercising prudence and discernment in the borrowing process, we can avoid financial pitfalls and safeguard our financial well-being. It is crucial to evaluate the necessity and potential return on investment before taking on any debt. Remember, borrowing should be approached as a strategic tool rather than a hasty remedy. ensuring that we are well equipped to handle the financial obligations that come with it. Number 4, your employer owes you nothing. It is crucial to understand that beyond the paycheck and a basic level of respect, employers do not owe us anything more. While employment provides a reliable income stream, circumstances can change unexpectedly. Economic challenges, company mergers, takeovers, or re-entrenchment can lead to a loss of a job. So it is essential to prepare for such contingencies by actively seeking additional income sources or side hustles, even when holding a permanent position. By creating multiple streams of income and wisely managing your finances, we can build a safety net to cushion ourselves during unforeseen job losses. Planning and saving in interest-earning facilities can become valuable strategies to provide a soft landing in challenging times. Number 5, have multiple streams of income. Contrary to the belief ingrained in our minds through the education system, formal employment is not the only avenue to earn money. By exploring various opportunities, we can discover alternative sources of income. While maintaining a permanent job, there are possibilities to supplement our earnings during weekends or spare time. The key lies in identifying the needs of those around us and finding ways to meet those needs through services or products. Additionally, monetizing our hobbies and passions can unlock unforeseen earning potential. The world we live in right now is dynamic, constantly presenting new needs and demands. Therefore, it is advisable not to limit ourselves to a single area, even if it aligns with our specialization. Embrace the diversity of income-generating options available to you. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, spend money on needs, not wants. Exercising restraint and avoiding extravagant spending is a wise financial practice, and it is easy to succumb to the influence of others or attractive offers on items we may not genuinely need. Before making any purchase, it is crucial to evaluate whether it is a necessity and if it fits within our budget. Often we realize later on that we could have done without certain purchases, as they fail to add value to our lives. Engaging in reckless spending habits will only leave us burdened with regret and dissatisfaction. Consider the simple truth that no one can drive 2 cars simultaneously or reside in 2 houses at once. Regrettably, some individuals accumulate multiple properties that remain unutilized or neglected, resulting in a depreciation of value. Similarly, having a closet filled with unworn clothes for years signifies a waste of hard-earned money. It is prudent to spend within our means, making responsible choices and maintaining what we possess. Number 7, be careful with your financial decisions. In today's fast-paced world, there is no shortage of individuals offering enticing ideas on how to get rich quickly or how to multiply your money rapidly. However, it is crucial to exercise caution and take a step back to evaluate these opportunities. Some deals promise unrealistic high yields, leading many people to fall victim to scams and substantial financial losses. While it is true that not all deals are bad, it is essential to approach them with caution and engage only with legitimate individuals or entities. Furthermore, even seemingly promising deals can sour over time, resulting in financial losses. It is important to recognize that not every deal is worth our time and money, and we must choose wisely. On the flip side, we must also avoid missing out on genuine opportunities. This requires weighing our options and assessing the risk involved. Conducting thorough due diligence and acquiring a comprehensive understanding of a project before diving in can help us make informed decisions. Additionally, it may be prudent to start with minimal investments to test the waters and ascertain the true worth of a venture. Number 8. Early retirement plans are a necessity. In our youth, retirement often seems like a distant event that doesn't require immediate attention. However, as the years pass, it becomes increasingly clear that planning for retirement is a crucial step in securing our financial future. Although this realization often occurs after working for a considerable period, it is beneficial to start planning for retirement as early as possible. By starting early, we give ourselves more time to save and allow our savings to grow through compounding. Various retirement schemes are available in the market for both employees and self-employed individuals. Conducting thorough research to identify a reliable scheme is essential, as retirement is a long-term endeavor. The last thing we want is to work diligently for years only to discover that our hard-earned money has been mismanaged or lost. Early retirement offers greater flexibility, as individuals can continue to earn income and generate wealth. Conversely, those who retire at a later age, often in their 70s or beyond, may not have the desire or ability to continue working for financial gain. For our own financial well-being in our twilight years, it is crucial to start saving for retirement at a young age. And finally, we have number 9. Don't let your money stagnate. Traditional savings accounts generally offer minimal to no interest. By keeping our money in these accounts, we inadvertently contribute to the profits of banks or financial institutions through their service charges and other fees. It is more lucrative to invest our money in avenues that provide high interest rates and allow our wealth to grow. Money market funds, for example, they often offer better rates compared to banks. However, this is not a decision to be made hastily. It is vital to conduct thorough research and identify the right investment opportunities. Diversifying our investments and partnering with reputable institutions that align with our financial goals can help mitigate the risk. While it is understandable to feel apprehensive about investment opportunities due to the presence of suspicious firms, it is equally as important to acknowledge the existence of trustworthy and legitimate institutions that are dedicated to managing funds in the best interests of their customers. Seeking referrals from trusted networks can guide us to the right direction. Well, that's basically the untold money secrets that will revolutionize your finances. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.